the volume of a cube with a side length of 5 1/3 inches. Remember, a cube has all sides are the same length. I'm going to sketch a picture of a cube. So each one is 5 1/3. Remember, we talked about how we can do length times width times height. Oops, that's supposed to be a 2 or a 3. As another expression for volume of a rectangular prism. The problem with it written this way is these are mixed numbers, and we want them written as improper fractions. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 more is 16. Okay, and 16 times 16 times 16 is 4,096. And 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. It was measured in inches originally, so our units are inches cubed.